Muni facing some tough questions after this photo and video emerged. It shows riders standing and sitting shoulder to shoulder on a packed bus. It comes as Muni has cut schedules to try to save money. KPIX 5 reporter Andria Borba live in San Francisco with passengers who are forced into these cramped conditions. Andria?
Well, Alan, a lot of Muni operators have been calling out sick because they fall into dangerous categories or they have been feeling ill themselves, so they haven't been coming to work. So Monday and Tuesday of this week, there was about 40% of the operators who were out. That resulted in some overpacked buses. Today started a new phase of Muni service in the city and county of San Francisco, and there are reinforcements to help. On this first day of so-called 17-point Muni service with reduced bus routes throughout the city of San Francisco, we wanted to see if reduced lines meant overcrowded buses. In a message on YouTube earlier this week, SFMTA head Jeffrey Tumlin had this to say about hopping on a bus during the stay-at-home order.
Muni service right now is only for essential workers and only for essential trips. If you have any other means of being able to get around, please choose walking or biking or driving, or more importantly, choose to stay at home.
KPIX 5 photographers found some buses with plenty of room today and others that would not meet current physical distancing standards. This photo is one of multiple complaints from KPIX 5 viewers of an overstuffed 38 Geary on Tuesday, allowing no room for social distancing. In a statement, Erica Cato of Muni said, "We warned riders that unfortunately Monday and Tuesday would see bad service with 40% of our operators out and us still inching toward the 17-line Essential Trips network. To help fill the gap, the Golden Gate Transit District is stepping up and offering local service on major routes like Van Ness, Geary, Lombard, and Mission through the city, expanding from typical commute service."
We're certainly happy to provide this service. We do want to make sure that people are only using it for those essential trips.
Now, Golden Gate Transit says to get on one of their buses, you use your Clipper card like you normally would to get on a Muni bus. They will be stopping at bus stops, regular bus stops, not making their express commuter service as usual, stopping at those bus stops and picking up people if they are in fact there. They won't stop if there's anyone. If there is no one there, of course, they say they will also be trying to enforce physical distancing on their buses, but they hope that the extra routes throughout the city of San Francisco help. Live in San Francisco, Andria Borba, KPIX 5.